make money online in 2022. Okay, so three are money reason why people want to make money online beside being able to work from home. Okay, with a flexible schedule you can reach global market with a low startup cost. So some method of making money online don't even require creating product or holding inventory. Okay, so in addition, due to the COVID-19 in pandemic, more people and shopping affiliate as result. So if you want to learn about online money making lead, these articles is for you. We will decode 25 way to make money online, 10 quick method and 25 start for long time earning. So download guide to writing business plan. Okay, so make money online video guide, top 10 quick way to earn money, make money online. So testing website and give feedback. Number 2, do voice over work. Number 3, complete online survey. Number 4, become a my stage shopper. Test game and apps. Number 6, sell store photo and foods. Number 7, sell second hand item. Then sell school note. Carry out micro job. Sell art and design. Pro of 25 long frame strategies to make money online. Make money blogging. Join an affiliate program. Build an e-commerce website. Open a dropshipping store. Create an online course. Tutorial student online. So create a membership site. Sell advertising space. Create a subscription job broadband. So buying and flip website. Start a YouTube channel. Apply for freelancer job. Become a website developer. Become a graphic designer. Become a content writer. Become a video grammar streamer. Become a influencer, offer digital marketing service, create an apps, create a podcast, become a travel connoisseur, public ebook, store email marketing campaign, become a virtual assistant in brand and store. So thank you everyone.